Hey everyone, browsing the web is something we do every day. Whether you are searching for information, watching videos, shopping online, or working on projects. But if you are like most people, you probably end up with dozens of tabs just open at once. And it can get confusing first. What if there was a solution or there was a tool that didn't rely on hundreds of tabs but instead used AI to organize your browsing in a smarter way? That's where Neo AI browser comes in. That is a new type of browser that aims to replace traditional tabs with AI powered context tools, summaries, and navigation features. Today, we are going to compare Neo AI browser and we are going to explore how it works, what makes it different, and whether it's worth to trying. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you choose the right tools without any confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link in the description if you want to download or try the Neo AI browser. By using the description link, any special offer or early access will be applied automatically. Now, let's dive into the main part of the video. So, first, let's talk about what exactly is Neo AI browser. In simple words, it is a web browser built with artificial intelligence at its core. Instead of relying on traditional tabs like Chrome or Safari, Neo uses AI to help you explore, organize, and interact with the web content in a context based way. The idea is to reduce the clutter and make web browsing feel more intuitive. Instead of opening dozens of tabs, you get an AI workspace that remembers what you are working on, summarizing pages, and helps you to find the information faster. One of the first things that you will notice about Neo AI browser is how clean the interface feels. There is not a huge row of tabs across the top like in traditional browser. Instead, there is an AI sidebar where you can ask question, summarize what you are looking for, and quickly jump between tasks. This means you can focus on your content without having to manage dozens of open pages. For example, let's say you are searching for a topic like best productivity tools for freelancers. With a normal browser, you might open 10 different websites in separate tabs and scroll through the each. With Neo, you can search once and the AI will gather, summarize, and present the key points from multiple sources in a single workspace. You can ask follow-up questions like compare the top 3 feature or show the pricing differences, and the AI will continue helping you without switching tabs. Next, you can test the browsing experience itself. Neo AI browser uses a standard web engine, so website load like they do in other browser. But what makes it interesting is the AI player on top. You can highlight the text on any website and ask the AI to explain it, or generate the summaries, or turn it into a bullet list. This is useful when reading long articles, research papers, or product pages. Another feature that many people find useful is the AI workspace history. Instead of keeping tabs open, Neo remembers your context in the workspace. You can come back later and see your summaries, notes, and conversations with the AI without needing to hunt through the open tabs. This can make your browsing feel more organized, especially when you're working on long term tasks like planning a project or writing a report. Of course, it is not perfect. One thing to keep in mind is that AI summaries are not always 100% accurate. While Neo does a strong job of capturing key point, you still need to check the original source if precision matters, especially for the research or technical information. Also, because the AI is doing extra processing, you might notice slightly slower loading when generating summaries compared to the standard browser tab. In terms of privacy and performance, Neo AI browser offers a similar protections to other modern browsers, but it's always a good idea to read the privacy policy before syncing your personal data. For many users, the productivity gains from AI assistance, but if you prefer the traditional tab system and minimal AI interaction, Neo might feel a bit unfamiliar at first. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this Neo AI browser review helped you to understand what the tool does, how it works, and whether it could be useful for your daily browsing and work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description so any special access or benefit that will be applied automatically. And I will see you in the next video where we explore more tools that help you to work smarter and grow online.